Hello, and welcome to the weather update. It is after 9 p.m. on May 9th, 2019, and a gloomy day today. Highs in the 50s. I didn't have a problem with that, but overcast skies. And looking at the forecast, you can see lots and lots of cloudy weather. So let's take a look at the models and see what's going to happen. The first thing we're going to do is look at the short range and take a look at the rain chances as they ramp up here. We're going to look at that in a minute. Um, tomorrow we have this front that's approaching us tomorrow, and there'll be a chance of showers in the morning, but it's not going to be like an all-day rain. They'll just be scattered showers. Another chance for showers in the afternoon with that little batch there, and then a cold front moves through. Looks like later, for Friday night, a cold front moves through and then stalls to the south of us, and you can see there it is stalled out. All right, and if we visualize this with the temperatures, I meant not with the temperatures, with the cloud fraction, sky cover, you'll see that this front just gets kind of hung up. So here we go. So we're stuck in the clouds, and we have this front that's trying to make it through, but you see, we're not really going to... Well, the NAM actually does try to clear us out for a little bit in the afternoon. Will that actually happen or not? I don't know. The NAM's a little encouraging, at least. But the NAM did that with the last front, and we didn't get clear skies. But we'll see what happens. Maybe we will. It would be nice. So let's go over to the GFS here, because the GFS is going to have a different look to it. And we'll also look at the temperatures and the dew points. You see clouds. It just keeps us in the clouds. So you see you have a divergence in the models here, basically, is what's going on. You have a divergence in the models. So stuck in the clouds, and then we have that storm system for Monday. That's going to really just, look at this, just sit over us. There it is. Just Alright, so let's look at the temperatures. Let's see what's going on. So, it will be warmer tomorrow. We're going to have a southwest flow. It's going to be more humidity in the air, too, as well. Look at that. Saturday, average temperatures. Sunday, then we start seeing that below average backdoor flow again. Only in the 40s, perhaps, on Monday. So Monday could be very chilly. And Tuesday, too, because of that storm. And then Wednesday it starts trying to warm up a little bit. Let's look at the dew points and see where they're going to go. So here are the dew points. So the dew points come up tomorrow. It gets humid. Gets humid tomorrow. Dew points go up to low 60s. And then we're dealing with the dew points going down on Saturday. And then the dew points stay low. But that storm is now, like I said, Friday's rain probably won't be too substantial. It's the much bigger storm that we got to worry about for later in the week towards Sunday. And the models are divergent on this. So GFS, you can see it has this little bit of energy behind, and then it forms that storm right there. It looks like it's a little weaker this time than it was on other runs. But the deal is we're going to have rain. So the GFS keeps Sunday dry, but it does have Monday being quite wet, and then where that rain could linger into Tuesday, and then there's that storm system trying to get out of here and wrap itself up there. So that's the GFS, and then we could look at the ICON model. Look at this as well. Yeah, I can tell I'm just disgusted with the weather. Sorry. It's like I gotta come in here and it's the same damn forecast I gotta make. The same freaking pattern day after of stall fronts, clouds, and chances of precipitation. It's just depressing, So there's your chance of precipitation Friday. You see, the front hangs up. The ICON brings rain back into the picture by Saturday afternoon, perhaps over Jersey. And then for Sunday, has it raining Sunday. And there's the storm system, and then we have more chances for rain Monday into Tuesday. Yay! And plenty of clouds. We're almost into mid-May already, and we still can't get the damn sun out. It's ridiculous, man. Alright. I'm just losing my patience with this, you know? I'm going to look at the 12-kilometer NAM as well. Because this goes a little, well, it doesn't go that far. It doesn't go far enough out, but it has rain on Sunday, and then a slight chance of rain Friday. Just wish we could have some clear skies, you know? It's all I ask for. But I know it's too much to ask. Too much to ask. Let's just look at some other information here that we'll look at. So we're not the only ones suffering, so I want to point that out to you. We're going to go to the regions, and we're going to look actually at the southwest, because even the southwest, they're having a lot more clouds than normal. Yep, even there. So let's move this over to the GFS, and you'll see them having a lot more clouds than normal. Probably not as bad as us, but here's Flagstaff over here. So let me back this up. So here's Flagstaff's over here, and you can see plenty of clouds over Flagstaff. So Flagstaff's been stuck in the clouds too a little bit. Saturday, it looks like they're stuck in the clouds on Saturday too. Sunday, maybe it tries to clear out there. Monday, still some clouds. So the weather is just stuck. The problem is the weather's stuck. The weather's not moving. Everything's just stuck in place because there's no jet stream. So I'll point that out to you. We're going to look at the jet stream right now. And I guess that'll be the last part of this weather update. But again, we're in a climate emergency, as everyone is blissfully unaware of. So let's take a look at this mess of a jet stream. So look at how wavy it is. Look at how wavy this is. Look at how wavy this is. This is not normal. So here you go. Look at how wavy this jet stream is. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. This is a mess. This is why everything gets stuck. Look at that. Look at that. Look how it's like the jet stream is like. I'm going to show you what the jet stream has become. Alright, I'm going to explain to you once again what's going on with our jet stream and why it's so screwed up. Alright, so I'm going to start over here. Alright, so the problem here is in the Arctic. Alright, in the north part of your screen here. It's warmer. So it's warmer up here than it's supposed to be. Alright, so the temperatures are rising in the Arctic. Alright? This isn't really the Arctic, but they're rising. Alright? So what's going on is because of that, the difference between the Arctic and the tropics, which is down here, is less. There's less of a difference in temperature between the Arctic and the tropics. And the difference in temperature between the Arctic and the tropics is what fuels the jet stream. So as that difference shrinks, the jet stream gets screwed up. And so this is what's going on with the jet stream, because the jet streams are so weak and they're wavy. And normal jet streams, I'm going to first draw what a normal jet stream is supposed to look like and what we're seeing now. So normal jet stream is sort of like this. Alright, normal jet stream would be like this. Alright, that's like a normal jet stream. Alright, west to east. Alright, but instead what we're seeing is this. We're seeing jet streams that go like this. Literally, that's what's become of the jet stream. And it's diffuse and it's wavy. So everything gets stuck because it's all kinked up. It's all kinked up because of climate change. People need to wake up and see what's going on. If I talk about this every freaking day for the rest of my life, that's what I'm going to do. Because we are in a climate emergency. And you people need to wake the hell up and see what's going on. I'm sorry for the rant, but I'm disgusted with the lack of coverage in the mainstream media while we're going through this crazy weather pattern, and no one is really paying attention to what's going on. They're all focused on one particular loudmouth buffoon in the White House. This is one world issue you should be talking about, mainstream media. Anyway, I'm sorry, but I just had a rant about that because we're in a climate emergency, and people need to pay attention. All right, and we need to do something about it now. The last thing I want to look at is the sea ice. So the sea ice concentration continues to go down. Look at all this missing ice over here. So you got look at all the missing ice first of all, and then you've got very thin ice here. So all this ice is going to melt. There's going to be a lot of melting going on. All right, and it already is happening, but it's going to get worse. It's going to get worse. And I think there's something else that I want to show you. Let me just go to this for a minute. If not, I'm mistaken, but I want to show you something else too. The satellite image here. I think I've got a report that there was some big fires in Canada, but I can't see any right now. But they're having flooding, crazy floods across the world right now. And nobody's paying attention. Nobody wants to pay attention to what's going on. Everybody's blissfully unaware while we have all this ice melt in Greenland too. There's a lot of ice melt in Greenland. The glaciers are retreating very rapidly over there. We need to be worried about what's going on. Let's not mention the tropics, of course, but people need to wake up. People need to wake the hell up and realize we're in a climate emergency. We need to take to the streets and demand that the government do something about it. Anyway, that concludes this weather update. Thank you for watching.